ಗಾಳಿಯಿಂದ ಮುಚ್ಚಲಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಜಾಗರೂಕರಾಗಿರಿ. The door is about to close. Please be careful.
And the end of the day, we'll bring back the train to Bata.
Like now 12:43, reach station 2 minutes. Half an hour.
Becoming 5 minutes now.
20 minutes. 75, 1.5 hour. Plus running on half an hour. 2 hours. By 2 o'clock we may reach.
That's all, sir. Whatever possible, we'll check out and come back and from everybody requesting that Bombay sir, what is the everybody to lunch break?
ಭಾಳ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Station quickly we finish. We are pushing it.